We're just finishing up for the week here in Summers Landing. Worked with the homeowner to repair their driveway and repave it. Looking really good. We got all up here at the house done. We had some tree roots, we had a low spot, we had some areas that were depressed. So we did a little bit of repairing and then we came on top of it with a top coat. Re-edged everything nicely. We're just finishing our last roll on the job. So this is almost wrapping up our Friday for the week. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to call us at 540-371-3712 or 1-800-ASPHALT, or hit us up on our website, drivewaysbyus.com. Have a great weekend.